Flower hairband ideas, most popular and latest beautiful ideas, girls and women's mixed floral of pearl crown and combines beautiful fabulous types and different types of flower for eye-catching design and beautiful integrates feather beads and flowers to create unique and inspired accessory and you can choose a design that complements your outfit personality and the beautiful your editing customization option are also available to create a unique flower hairband that suits your performance. And flower hairbands come in a wide variety of design to show different style and performance. Here are some popular design styles. A flower hairband is a lovely accessory that typically and beautiful future articles and real flower attached to headbands, and the hairpiece is often worn as a decorative element in hairstyle for event functions such as wedding ceremony and festival. New latest beautiful variety styles.